Supervolcanoes. Supervolcano eruptions, although rare, could occur in the next few centuries. Scientists can predict them by detecting pressure buildup. An eruption would cause extensive local damage through explosions, lava flows, and ashfall, which could collapse buildings, suffocate life, and contaminate water supplies. Globally, the ash cloud could block sunlight, causing a volcanic winter and a significant drop in temperature. Cosmic strings. Cosmic strings are incredibly thin and long theoretical objects that are believed to be remnants of the early universe. If one were to pass through our solar system, its immense energy could cleave through space, creating strong gravitational forces that could disrupt planetary orbits, potentially cutting off planets or sending them into space. Antibiotic crisis. Antibiotics make it easier to eliminate infections and perform routine medical procedures. The antibiotic crisis stems from the growing resistance of bacteria to antibiotics. The more we use antibiotics, the stronger the bacteria become against them. That is why it is necessary to seek medical advice before using them. Overuse of antibiotics, especially in agriculture, accelerates this resistance. If new treatments are not developed, common infections could become deadly again, with millions of deaths a year. Research into new antibiotics is limited because of high costs and poor profitability, further exacerbating the problem. Nuclear war. With about 13,000 nuclear warheads currently in existence, a large-scale nuclear war could kill 50 to 80% of the human population immediately or in the long term. The survivors would face a hostile environment, with a nuclear winter causing agricultural collapse and food shortages. Radiation would lead to serious health problems, including cancer and genetic mutations, further reducing the population over time. Climate change. The Earth could become uninhabitable if we reach critical thresholds. We are currently at 1.1 degrees C of global warming, but reaching 1.5 degrees C could trigger the melting of the Greenland ice sheet, potentially raising sea levels up to 7 meters over centuries. The newly exposed ocean would absorb more solar energy, further warming the region. In addition, lands devoid of reflective ice and water would warm more rapidly, accelerating melting by about 60%. At this temperature, the permafrost would begin a snowball effect, decomposing trapped organic matter and releasing CO2 and methane, which are more potent than CO2, leading to further warming and decomposition. Thawing permafrost could also release ancient viruses and bacteria unknown to humans, potentially causing new diseases. Between 1.1 and 2 degrees C, we could see a weakening of the Atlantic meridional circulation, which facilitates heat transfer from the southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere as far as Greenland. A partial collapse could plunge Europe into a mini ice age. At 2 to 3 degrees C, disruption of monsoon systems could affect about 1 billion people and complicate global food supplies. Likewise, the Amazon rainforest could dry out, lose its regenerative capacity, and turn into savanna, releasing large amounts of CO2, further accelerating global warming and reducing regional precipitation, leading to agricultural problems and potential food shortages. Massive asteroid. To cause human extinction, an asteroid would have to be about 10 kilometers in diameter, similar to what caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. Although this is unlikely due to constant monitoring of large asteroids, missions such as DART demonstrate potential methods to deflect dangerous asteroids, reducing the risk of a complete catastrophe. Transhumanism. In modern times, the biological evolution of humans has slowed down as technology allows us to adapt to the environment. Technological advances, however, continue rapidly, leading to the concept of transhumanism, where technology enhances human capabilities beyond natural limits. This could involve genetic modifications for other planets, or absurdly digital consciousness, where human minds are uploaded into computers or interconnected, forming a super-intelligent entity. This transformation would end humanity as we know it, but would preserve human existence in a new form. Heat death. The universe may be heading toward thermal death in trillions of years, a state in which it has expanded so much that it has become cold and empty. There will be no difference in energy, no heat, no light, and no activity, leading to a dark and lifeless universe. Even if humanity were to survive all other threats, we would still eventually face the extinction of the human race, although some speculate that a new Big Bang could create another universe.